गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै Shri Guruve Namah. A very hearty good morning to our respected principal ma'am who is present here as our guest, our panel of teachers and our teacher moderators. We welcome you all to this webinar and thank you for taking your time out and being here today. Teachers are awakeners. They are the mind engineers and the life directors for their students. We honor your selfless commitment for your students in every way possible. There couldn't be a day better than this to know what teaching as a profession has helped you to discover within yourself over the years. Now, I would request our principal ma'am to please enlighten us with a few words.
Good morning, teachers, and good morning, students who are moderating this program. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you present here. And I know the topic that you have given for the talk show is talking about what we as teachers have learned through our long experience, our journey as teachers. Well, if you ask me, I would say that I think life skills are most important in a teacher's life. And more than academics, more than anything else that you study in your textbooks or the teachers that may have taught you, very important to be a good human being. And that is what is going to take you ahead in life. So whatever values I have learned since childhood, whatever values I have learned from my teachers, from my parents, from my adults, that is the thing that is taking me ahead in life. And that is what gives me strength. I may have learned a lot of science, moral science, you can say maths, and other subjects. I don't remember much of it. I do remember concepts, but I don't remember much of all those subjects. But what I do remember is the teachers who have given me good values, made me a good human being, and I hope I'm able to relate in the same manner with my students and my teachers. So with this, let us take it forward and let's hear the views of our teachers.
Thank you, ma'am. Proceeding with the event, I would now like to request our first panel member, Amlendu sir, with 27 years of teaching experience as a Hindi teacher, to please unmute his mic and share his views on the subject.
सबको नमस्कार। बच्चों को बहुत बहुत
नमस्कार सर।
शिक्षक के रूप में अनुभव। जमशेदपुर पब्लिक स्कूल में रहते हुए मैंने जो कुछ सीखा वह अद्भुत है, अतुलनीय है, अद्वितीय है। अगर थोड़े शब्दों में कहें तो जिंदगी में मैंने जो कुछ भी विशेष सीखा है वह इसी विद्यालय में, परिवेश में और अपने छात्रों साथी शिक्षकों के साथ हुए सीखा है। बहुत स्पष्ट रूप से कहना चाहूंगा, इसके पहले जिंदगी वैसी थी जैसे बाढ़ आने वाली नदी होती है जिसकी जलधारा का कोई नियंत्रण नहीं होता। वह असीमित रूप से इधर उधर बह के सिर्फ विनाश करती है। शिक्षक के रूप में आने के बाद वह जलधारा दो तटों के बीच से अनुशासनात्मक रूप में बहने लगी। मेरी रचनाएं, मेरी सृजनात्मकता, मेरी क्रियात्मकता सब इसी परिवेश में एक शिक्षक के रूप में बनी है। उदाहरण स्वरूप मेरी अधिकांश कविताओं की विषय वस्तु इसी विद्यालय परिवेश में और छात्रों से संबंधित है। जिंदगी में व्यक्ति हर पल सीखता है। यह सही है कि हम बच्चों को एक शिक्षक के रूप में सिखाते हैं, लेकिन मुझे यह स्वीकार करने में कोई संकोच नहीं है कि हम भी बच्चों से हर पल कुछ न कुछ सीखते। हमेशा हर व्यक्ति एक समय में ही एक शिक्षक भी होता है और एक छात्र भी होता है। विद्यालय का परिवेश इतना प्यारा लगता है, इतना हम उसे मिस करते हैं। वह न केवल मैं, बल्कि अगर सच्चाई स्वीकार की जाए तो मेरे जितने साथी शिक्षक हैं वो स्वीकार करते होंगे कि वर्तमान परिवेश में जिंदगी में एक सुनापन है, वह इसलिए रही बात अनुभव की, मैंने जाना, इसी शिक्षक के जीवन के रूप में सीखा है कि जिंदगी हर पल इम्तिहान लेती और उस इम्तिहान को देते हुए हमें एक शिक्षक की भूमिका का अदा याद रखना चाहिए। शिक्षक समाज सुधारक होता है, शिक्षक ज्ञानदाता होता है, शिक्षक क्रांतिकारी होता है, शिक्षक विचार का परिवर्तन करने वाला होता है और एक शिक्षक के रूप में उसे अपनी हर भूमिका का निर्वाह करना चाहिए। और सबसे बड़ी है बात अनुशासन और नीतिगत विचार। मैंने शिक्षक के रूप में इसे सीखा है और लोगों को सिखाने की कोशिश की है। मैंने शिक्षक के रूप में यह सीखा है कि जिंदगी में उत्थान पतन आते रहते और उस उत्थान पतन के बीच बिना घबराए हुए हमें अपने सच्चाई के मार्ग पर बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। मुझे मालूम है कि हमारे पास समय की कमी है, इसीलिए मैं आज एक श्रोता के रूप में अपने अन्य साथियों की आवाज सुनने की अभिलाषा से अपना वक्तव्य यहाँ समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
I would now like to request our second panel member, Shubhranshu sir, with 25 years of teaching experience as an account teacher, to please unmute his mic and share his views regarding the topic.
Good morning, all the teachers. Good morning, ma'am, and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I have been associated with Jamshedpur for past 25 years, teaching there for last 25 years, and during this period, I have learned many things under the able leadership of our principal, ma'am. And whatever I have learned from my teachers, from parents, whatever values I have learned, I have tried to teach the student not only academics, but to be a good human being and a good citizen of this country. Marks are there, that is definitely a part of life, but that is not the end. A person has to be a disciplined person, a good human being. And that's what I try to teach my student, rather than teaching the subject which I am teaching over the years. During my journey of teacher in this school, I have learned many things. I have been given responsibility at different point of time, and I've tried my level best to live up to the expectation of principal ma'am and other teachers. I've learned from my colleagues, from my friends. They have helped me a lot whenever I needed their help. At the same time, whenever I have organized any program, and you know that no program can be done successfully alone. It is a cooperation of other teachers and my colleagues and friends who have made it successful year after year. And that's what I tell my students all the time, that you should be a good citizen, a good human being in life, rather than whatever achievement you do in academics. Because this will take you ahead in your journey of your life. Because whatever your values that you have learned will be reflected wherever you go, your workplace, as an employee, as an employer, as a colleague, as a boss, wherever you go, this will be reflected. This was I've tried over the years, and how far I'm successful, what I'm able to do, that definitely others will say. And one more thing I would like to mention here, that I'm very happy that after teaching for so many years, there are 4 teachers in JPS who are from my class only. I have taught them, and they are now teachers in JPS. I think that's one of the best return a teacher can get in life. Teacher Shashmita is there, teacher Paulomi is there, teacher Jagjit in the primary building, Paridhi. They were all my students whom I have taught. And today they are back to JPS as teachers. So I'm really thankful to this school for giving me so much over the years. Now with this, I end my, because time is short, I end my speech, and I would like to hear from my other respected teachers, their viewpoints. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I now request our third panel member, Teacher Smita, with 17 years of teaching experience, to please share her views.
Good morning to one and all present here. First of all, a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. I pay a tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on this day. So coming to the question now, teachers' effectiveness, it increases at a greater rate when we teach in a supportive, collegial, and amenable working environment, and so has mind. Accumulation of knowledge helps in gaining confidence over the subject matter. Teachers meet the competency standard because of this enhanced knowledge, from which we can continue to expand our expertise. Effectiveness surely increases with experience. The positive vibes of the teacher can change the lives of the children. So we are trying, even today during this pandemic. In today's scenario, as the coronavirus is multiplying exponentially, so does the demand on a teacher's development, as it is becoming very challenging. COVID-19 has changed substantially the way we live. Adapting to the new normal, we have found alternatives of knowledge delivery. We have heralded the digitalization of education. We have actually become the harbinger of many changes in education. At last, a special thanks to Principal Ma'am, to my dear children, whose unflagging devotion, love, and effort has made this possible. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. I request our fourth panel member, Dr. Lipika Teacher, with 23 years of teaching experience as a social science and geography teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her opinion on the topic.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. Good morning, everybody present over here. Vanshika, my dear, you have given me 2 minutes time to share my 23 years of experience. How can I concise my experience, my insight I gained from 23 years of teaching experience? Anyways, apart from joking, well, if you ask me to share my experience from my 23 years of teaching, so in all my years, I have had one key takeaway. That key takeaway I'm talking about, it has to be my children and only my children. My children cannot be judged based on their mere scholarly metrics, I feel. They are more than that. They are more than their marks. They are more than the class participation and everything else in the school. Each boy and girl, you know, they have one unique quality within him or her. I thoroughly, honestly speaking, thoroughly enjoy the process of guiding my children, teaching my children to build their cocoons. It's a rewarding moment. Trust me, it's a rewarding moment for me to see each and every single student of mine, seeing them graduating every year as butterflies. It's been an absolute pleasure being a teacher, and I also intend to be one until and unless I possibly can. So once again, very, very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers present over here. And my dear children, always rock. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so moving on, I request our fifth panel member, Teacher Pragya, with almost 40 years of teaching experience as a music teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her thoughts related to the topic.
Respected Principal Ma'am, my loving teachers and my dear students, at the very outset, I would like to pay my humble tribute and respect to my parents, to all my teachers, my gurus, my mentors, for their endless love, commitment, loyalty, and dedication, for which I am what I am today. And the basic principle which I follow, I have imbibed from my mentors, my parents, is that I need to follow the footsteps of my teachers. And I try to inculcate their values and implement and instill those values in my teaching process. Well, I belong to the performing arts faculty, and I have been a teacher for the last 40 years. The main thing which I have gathered is teaching is basically a learning experience. Every moment you teach, you learn. When I'm in a class, when I'm trying to execute any phrase or any line through my music, I feel that could have been done and or executed in a better way. That's a very good thing, because it always triggers off my creativity, my thinking, and my improvisation. Secondly, being a performer, I have performed many a times on national and international platforms, but never till today have I felt satisfied with my performance. And this is also a very positive point. It helps you to move forward with an undeterred determination, perseverance, and concentration. It helps me to improve. And I should say that whenever I'm teaching, I should be very, very honest to my profession. And basically, music is life, and it is my passion, it's my obsession. And I feel that with total submission, concentration, and meditation, basically transcends me from the material to the spiritual world. I get really connected. I feel my subject, my profession, my music is basically a worship. And I try to be very, very particular, honest, and dedicated to my profession. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
I would now request our next panel member, Teacher Salini, with 30+ years of teaching experience as an economics teacher, to please unmute your mic and speak relating to this topic.
Morning, everyone. Happy Teachers' Day, all the teachers present here. We are all assembled here today, of course, because of Teachers' Day. We commemorate a great personality, pay homage to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. My pranams to him. He was a great educator, teacher, and administrator. That's actually a very thing to say about him. He was a stalwart. As a teacher, to be with him today is a great thing, definitely. Teaching is always good, children. The moment you start teaching, there's everything good about it. There's nothing bad about it. Every little thing about a teacher has to be good, because you're shaping young minds. You're forming personalities. You're shaping the future of the country, of the world. As a teacher, tell you the truth, children, what I realized is that we evolve, we research, we learn. A teacher is a learner. We love to learn every day. We love to evolve every day. We change with the changing times. There is proof enough, isn't it, Raj? There's lots of proof that teachers change. We have changed, not technology has changed us. I was so away from technology, to tell you the truth. In fact, my colleagues will tell you how I sure. But with the changing times, the pandemic, sorry to say, it has disturbed us. But how we disturbed as teachers? No, children, we have changed us, all of us. We love to change. We love to change with the changing times. Had we been conservative, we are not anymore. We've changed. We have evolved to be different, a different kind of a person altogether. And that is, I think, very, very important in a teacher. A teacher loves to learn. A teacher loves to evolve. A teacher loves to research. And therefore, I think that is the greatest thing about a teacher. Being a teacher, there is a lot of onus, there is great onus on the teacher. Because it is the teacher who is forming all the other professionals. Without a teacher, there is profession, children. No. Starting from kindergarten, starting from home, in fact. A teacher is a mother, a teacher is a father, a teacher is a sister, a teacher is a brother. A teacher is everything else. When a teacher teaches a school, a teacher is a second parent, in fact, I feel. A teacher should be able to care, nurture. That's so important. Yes, values, definitely. I think when I'm teaching a subject, my subject is economics. But do I only teach economics? I don't think so. Because with it comes so many other things, so many other subjects, so much more the values that we learned from it. All the values we inculcated. We love to see our students bloom into love flowers, spreading their aroma all around, and it happens. And when it happens, the happiness that it gives us, I think that is so important. To be a happy human being, happiness is above everything. And of course, the satisfaction that it gives after teaching students, I think that is immense. The satisfaction that a teacher gets, that I get, I shouldn't be always talking about it. I think it's all of us. I'm sure it is. It is an immense feeling of satisfaction that we get after teaching. So as a teacher, I have realized that being a teacher from the beginning to the end is really, really good, children. G-O-D, all of it is there in teaching. There's nothing bad about it. Thank you so much for inviting children. I would love to hear my other colleagues speaking all today, and a happy Teachers' Day to one and all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Sangeeta teacher with 7 years of experience as an English teacher to please unmute her mic and share her views with us.
Thank you, Vanshika. Pleasure listening to all the teachers who spoke before me about their experience. And as I quoted, that Pragya teacher told that learning is a journey. I also feel the same, that yes, learning and teaching, it's a journey. And after 7 years of teaching experience, I have learned the ability to develop a relationship with my students and to be more caring. And also, I've also acquired life skills, which our principal ma'am was talking about, that which is most important and which enhances our growth as a teacher and as a human being as well. So keeping precise my opinion, I would just say that in 7 years, I have been able to develop one philosophy regarding my teaching, is to teach my students how to learn and not simply what to learn. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
I would now like to request our 8th panel member, Ravi sir, with many years of teaching experience as a maths teacher, to please unmute his mic and share his views regarding the topic.
Hello, listen everybody. Listen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
you're audible.
Yeah. A very warm good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. We are very happy teachers to all the teachers. So listen, my dear student, thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to share my views, which I discovered in my teaching experience. But before that, I'm telling you, in my teaching experience, I discovered, and every day I discover, in teaching life, without student, no meaning of teacher. Teacher is not a mechanism, teacher is not a technology, teacher is not a machine. Teacher is a universe, an universe. There are a lot of stars, like lot of students, all students are stars. I discover as a good human being, as a good citizenship. But one thing is very important in my life, in my teaching life, I discovered first, students are God, and school is a temple. Students are God, and school is a temple. So my dear student and all the teachers encourage minds to think hands, to create a heart to love, to create a heart to love. Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. Teaching is the one profession that creates all other professions. This one is very important discovered. If someone is going down the wrong road, I discovered he doesn't need motivation to speed him up. What he needs is education to turn him around. In my teaching experience, teacher have a personal qualities to make a good teacher by learning and at same time by teaching. Need to be challenged and seek challenges. I have to love what I'm doing. I'm one of a kind. Teachers encourage minds to think and to create a heart to love. These are very important topics, but few points I discovered in myself: positive relationship, cooperation, learning activity, communicate the outcome, creating a knowledge consumption environment. Teachers are mind engineers, as told our student. Teachers are life directors. Don't ever undermine a teacher. I discovered in this teaching life, first thing is very important, emotional, honesty, discipline, and so many things. But one thing is very important, friendship. A teacher is a good friend, good parent with our student. So this one is I discovered, and always, yes, always help the student. So lastly, my dear, thank you and have a cheerful day to all my students and all my colleagues and respected principal ma'am.
I would now like to request our next panel member, Teacher Kiran, with 28 years of teaching experience as a Hindi teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her views with us.
Very good morning to my respected principal ma'am, teachers and मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। आज सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म दिवस है, जिसे मैं 5 सितंबर के नाम से मनाना चाहूंगी। सर्वप्रथम मैं अपने माता पिता, टीचर्स एवं बड़े लोगों के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ, जिनकी बदौलत आज मेरा अस्तित्व है। सच ही कहा गया है कि लर्निंग इज द लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस। लर्निंग इज द लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस। हर समय, हर जगह केवल किताबी ज्ञान काम नहीं करता। अनुभव एवं व्यवहारिक ज्ञान का भी मानव जीवन में अहम भूमिका है। 28 वर्ष के लंबे वर्षों के शिक्षण कार्य के पश्चात मेरी सोच, मेरे व्यवहार एवं कार्य करने के तरीकों में बहुत से परिवर्तन एवं इजाफा हुआ है। सबसे पहले मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ बात करूंगी कि मुझे हर तरह के बच्चों को समझने का मौका मिला और मैं उनकी मानसिकता को पढ़ पाई और फिर उसके अनुरूप उनके साथ व्यवहार की। ये मेरे जीवन की सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि है। इसके पहले मैं टीचिंग प्रोफेशन के पहले मैं विभिन्न तरह के लोगों से मिलती थी, लेकिन उनकी मानसिकता एवं व्यवहार को पढ़ पाने में सक्षम नहीं थी। लेकिन आज इस टीचिंग प्रोफेशन ने मुझे सभी तरह के लोगों की मानसिकता एवं व्यवहार को पढ़ने में सहायता की है। हर प्रकार के जाति, संप्रदाय, वर्ग के लोगों से मिलने के बाद मेरी सोच का विस्तारीकरण भी हुआ। हमारे समय में टेक्नोलॉजी इतना एडवांस नहीं था, लेकिन अध्यापन के अनुभव में आने के बाद मैं आधुनिक तकनीकी यंत्र, डाटा क्लासेस, ई लर्निंग, कंप्यूटर आदि को चलाने में निपुण हूँ। विभिन्न वर्कशॉप्स, वेबिनार, मीटिंग से अर्जित ज्ञान को अपने शैक्षणिक एवं गैर शैक्षणिक संस्थाओं में प्रयोग किया, जहां मुझे उत्कृष्ट सफलता प्राप्त हुई। शिक्षण व्यवसाय में आने से ही हमारे अंदर का इंटरैक्टिव एबिलिटी स्किल यानी परस्पर संवादात्मक कौशल विकसित हुआ और हर लोगों की मानसिकता को पढ़ पाने में समर्थ होती हूँ और फिर उसी के अनुरूप उनसे व्यवहार कर पाती हूँ। इस व्यवसाय से जुड़ने के पश्चात बच्चों, शिक्षकों एवं अभिभावकों के साथ मेरा मधुर संबंध बना और वे समय समय पर मुझे याद करते हैं, मेरा कुशल क्षेम पूछते रहते हैं, साथ ही विभिन्न विषयों एवं समस्याओं का निदान भी पूछते हैं। टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में आने के पश्चात ही सोसाइटी में मेरी अलग पहचान बनी, सोशल रिकॉग्निशन मिला, जो मेरे व्यक्तित्व में 4 चांद लगा दिया। साथ ही मेरे अंदर का आत्मविश्वास एवं आत्मनिर्भरता में काफी इजाफा हुआ, जिसके कारण मैं आज किसी भी परिस्थिति में, चाहे वो मेरे अनुकूल हो या प्रतिकूल हो, मैं सुदृढ़ निर्णय ले पाती हूँ। Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. I would now like to request our 10th panel member, Teacher Anupa, with 23 years of teaching experience as an English teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her views with us.
And students, Thanks a lot for giving me the golden opportunity today to speak about myself. After 23 years of experience with knowledge and education, I discovered these positivities developed within myself. Self-realization of the potential to shape up, ignite young minds, positive attitude for whole life. Self-realization, that weight of country's future is on my shoulders. Open-mindedness to all views, patience, create a positive atmosphere in the school. Education is not only about it is not bookish knowledge, but it is for continuous and comprehensive development given edge to thought process. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am, and all teachers present here. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
I would now like to request our 11th panel member, teacher Anita, with 27 years of teaching experience as a social science and English teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her thoughts about the topic.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, Miss Audible.
Yes. Okay. Good morning, everyone. And first of all, I would like to start this great day by paying my tribute to Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, my parents, the environment, which has taught us so many things, our principal, ma'am, and everyone who is in this. Having spent more than 2 decades in the school, I feel I'm yet a fresher. You know why? Because every time I'm in the learning process, and the children are there who are teaching me every second how to learn new things, how to face challenge. Teaching, I must say, is very, very demanding, very challenging. And therefore, I have changed personally as well as professionally, children and teachers. Earlier, I was very strict. I thought perfection was the only thing. I thought academics was the only thing. But with the growing years, things have changed, and so has the education system. And one thing, CBSE has also contributed in helping me to change. Every year we see new thought process, and which is very appreciable. You know what, one thing, especially I like to convey to the new teachers, on whose shoulders the future has to be secure, is that change is the only constant, my dear young teachers, and we should always be ready to adapt and adopt to the changing needs of the society. And therefore, I have focused throughout my career as a teacher on the core work, that is teaching not only academics. Half of my class is a value class, a class with innumerable examples, a lot of interaction. It's not just chalk and talk. So the topic is that how it changed me. I would say that I have become a more loving person. I have become more tolerant. I started appreciating the little qualities of each and every child. I have now, I have felt that each and every child, each and every individual, each and every teacher is special and unique, and that we have to take the positives of all those people, of all the children, and always, my dear teachers, especially the young ones, always appreciate the children. It motivates them, and It will help them to create, to help them to imagine, to have a scientific temperament, give them opportunity to improve their communication skills. And in this journey of teaching and learning, I have evolved as a better person, as a good human being. And I'm still learning, children. This is what I have to do. And convey my message to all the children that you have to be confident because the future rests on your shoulders. With this, I end the speaking session. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. All the best to all the teachers and the students, and a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. I'd like to request our 12th panel member, teacher Padma, with 12 years of teaching experience as a biology teacher, to please unmute her mic and share her views with us.
Thank you, Vanshika. Am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my colleagues, friends, and my dear students. Before I say something, I would like to pay my tribute to Dr. Radhakrishnan. I was asked to speak on what I have discovered in myself as a teacher. So there are many things to say, but in a nutshell, I would like to say that as a teacher, it has helped me to improve myself each day in terms of knowledge and as a person, and kept me motivated to do things meticulously and proceed towards excellence. Yet, I still have a long way to go and discover many more things in myself. And whatever I am today, the credit goes to all my students who inspired me to do well. With this, I end, and happy Teachers' Day to everyone.
Thank you, teacher. I would now like to request Namika to please propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Principal Ma'am and respected teacher, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this very occasion of Teachers' Day. I, on behalf of the students and volunteers, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to honorable teachers who have blessed us with their presence and participation in the webinar by sparing their valuable time of their busy schedule. Also, I would express my gratitude to our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Namita Agarwal, for providing full encouragement and support. Last but not the least, I would like to extend a special thanks to our teacher moderators, Teacher Sulagna and Teacher Shashmita, who has helped and guided us throughout. So thank you, teachers, for making this event very successful with your contribution. Thank you all. Have a very nice day.